Every Marine out of those racks and on my deck! You got 5 seconds! 5 seconds!
Up!
Move your ass! Get up! Move! Don't you eyeball me! You stand at attention!
How come we're the only ones running like this? Every damn morning.
Make us the best.
Oh, shut up. I'm so sick of this shit. Just want to get out there and slap a Jap.
What did you say?
Said I want to slap a Jap, Gunny?
Slap a Jap.
Well, how about it, boys? I bet you all want to do more than slap a Jap.
Yes, sir!
Slap a Jap. That's what the enemy is to you, huh? A fucking bucktooth cartoon dreamed up by some asshole on Madison Avenue to sell soap. Well, let me tell you something. The Jap I know, the Japanese soldier, he has been at war since you were in fucking diapers! He's a combat veteran, an expert with his weapon. He can live off of maggoty rice and muddy water for weeks and endure misery you couldn't dream up in your worst nightmare! The Japanese soldier doesn't care if he gets hurt or killed, as long as he kills you. Now, you can call them whatever you want, but never, ever fail to respect their desire to put you and your buddies into an early grave. Is that clear?
Yes, Johnny!
Why aren't you in your full packs?
Gear up! 10-mile run in formation in 2 minutes!